eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to use probably like the little small, oops, this is the wrong one. This is the nude, Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette. We're going to use the color Top Secret, which is like a reddish brown color. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. And I'm going to use the color Dark Brown. Welcome to my live, everyone. Please double tap for me and share my live. Thank you, Miss Yvonne Ward. I'm also going to use Draw Me Rainbow eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use like a fuchsia color. I'm going to use the color Happiness. And I'm going to apply it like in the middle of my eye. And then I'm going to use Ruby Kisses Aquarius eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use their eyeshadow palette. It's called Milky Way. So I'm going to take this gray color here, and I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eye. Then I'm going to use my Aquarius eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this color that's kind of mixed with green and purple, and mix it with the silver glitter. And then I'm going to apply it right here in the inner corner of my eye. And then the fun part, I'm going to use my Cool Cafe 2-in-1 concealer. I'm going to apply that right underneath my eye. I'm going to blend this in. And the lashes I have on is the ones I had on earlier. I have the Airy Mink lashes, Soft Breezy, that I have on. They look very natural. And I'm just going to blend out the concealer under my eye. Just making sure that the color is showing. I'm going to go back with my Buy Me Rose eyeshadow palette. I'm going to see if I can use Dozen Roses. It's like a reddish brown. And then I'm going to use Flutter, Sweetness. That's the closest I can get it to, guys. I'm going to add a little orange to my lips. And I'm going to spray some mist spray. And that's it. This is the final look. Thank you, Miss Yvonne Ward. This is the final look. I think I got it close as possible as the model behind me. So that's the closest, but let me add a little bit of a darker brown. Get the small brush. Alright, so in today's video I use actually about 5 eyeshadow palettes. I used the Draw Me Rainbow, I used the Buy Me Rose, all by I Envy. I used the Nude Me eyeshadow palette, and for the glitter I used Ruby Kisses Milky Way. All of these are on I Envy website. Go on their website. It's ivyusa.com. This one is the Ruby Kisses Milky Way, and I used Ruby Kisses Aquarius eyeshadow. This for the shimmer, and then the other colors are for the base, like the dark brown and the reddish brown. So these are the 3 palettes I used in today's video. Yes, it was kind of short because it was just very simple makeup. All you needed was like a reddish brown, a dark brown, and some gray, and a little bit of like a greenish color to make it pop. And I just used a simple red. I used like the Tangerine Lip Balm. I used the Ruby Kisses Matte Coral. I mixed those 2 colors together for my lips. And this is how I achieved my lips. So I want to say thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look here. So I did try to get it as close as possible to the model. So I hope you guys did like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on all my platforms. And I will see you guys in my next live. Bye.